Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do click on the bell icon there to get regular notifications. Dhanyavad. Namaskar, I am not a designer, I am a marketer. But every marketer needs great designs. There are two ways to get this done. One, by working with designers, and two, by using tools that can help you become a designer without having to learn designing skills. In this video today, I am going to show you those 7 free tools that can help you make great designs and videos for your business. I have tested them and these are absolutely cool ones. Let's get started with tool number 1. Canva.com is by far one of the best tools for you to make some amazing designs using existing templates. On Canva.com, you can upload your photos, edit them, use them in frames and use their thousands of free templates. They have all the standard sizes which you require for your Facebook advertisements, brochures, Facebook posts, visiting cards, billboards and more. Here are some of the examples of designs which I have created using Canva.com for absolutely free of cost. Tool number 2. Bobble app is absolutely cool tool that allows you to create caricatures. Bobble is available for free on Android and iOS. You can make cool GIFs, greetings, posts and use the existing templates based on the current trends. Look at these cool designs. I created them in minutes using Bobble app. Tool number 3. Typorama for iOS. This tool allows you to use templates, latex and use some great font templates. You can even upload your images, edit them, lay text and choose from the existing fonts to make your post look like it's designed by a professional designer. I use Typorama to make posts for Instagram. Tool number 4. WordSwag for Android. If you're an Android user and you cannot use Typorama, you must make use of WordSwag. This is both iOS and Android friendly app and costs you just $4. But WordSwag can help you make some brilliant images. So if you're that person who loves to write codes, use WordSwag to make your codes look fantastic. Look at some of these designs which I have done using WordSwag. Tool number 5. Quick. Make quick videos using Quik. This is a mobile application that works well with iOS and Android devices. This is one of my favorite tools as it allows me to add photos, GIFs, images and use some predefined video templates. Even if you're not a video person, you will become one by using Quik. Here is a video that I quickly made using Quik. You can check it out. Tool number 6. InShot app can help you edit your images and videos to an extent where you can add top and bottom strips. You can add filters, add stickers in your videos and effects to your videos, and not to forget, you can even combine 2 to 3 videos in one frame. This is absolutely free of cost. Tool number 7. Like is an app that can help you take your creative genes to next level. You can add hearts, throw bombs, add effects on you and that can make your videos really kick-ass. This is again an absolutely free of cost tool and probably you can check an example of the same here. So these are some 7 tools that you should always have in your pocket as a marketer. So these are those 7 tools that I make use of as a marketer, and I would recommend each one of you to download these apps on your mobile phone so that your journey as a marketer becomes a lot more easier. If you love my videos and my work, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Dhanyavad.